Hello guys! Kamusta kayo? Namaste India! Imbo Koni Home Love! Please subscribe to Daddy's channel! Thank you!
Hello guys, we're trying to buy this one. How much is this, Shama? 16,000?
એની સાથે આવે છે એમ
હા હા
This one.
Do you like this one? This one is
This is
16,000.
comfortable, but
I know.
blue will
16,000.
not suit to our house.
No, it's alright.
But you go and check
16,000.
that one.
But that one is look old.
This one look old?
No, downstairs.
No, this one is.
But this one is cost as well. How much is this?
આનું શું છે પ્રાઇસ
12,500
12,500
How much?
આપણી એની છે ને આમ
How much?
12,000.
12,000.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But these will go to our wardrobe. You remember?
Huh?
Wardrobe and bed. Bed is brown and
Yeah.
cream. So
Mm.
it will go to our
It's suit.
suits to our
Hmm. And price is suits as well.
tight suits to us as well. Yeah. That is
12,000.
more comfortable as well.
This is 12,000. How much? I think this is same like this. Why this one is very expensive?
No, that is Rexin.
Huh?
That is Rexin.
Hmm.
Go and
So it's you have to decide. I don't have problem. But do you think this is good? This one is 12,000, but without this, huh? This
With
is not
pillow.
with pillow.
yes.
Oh, with pillow, 12,000. So guys, what do you think?
ના એવા મટીરિયલ માં નહીં જોતો.
આ મટીરિયલ ચાલે
હા તમે બતાવી ને. આ કેટલા વાળો?
આ બી સોલ વાળો જ છે
Hmm.
એના જેવું દેખાય જો.
16,000.
આના જેવું દેખાય.
Like this.
Hmm. 16,000 this one.
ઉતારીને જોવું છે બેઠું છે
એક મિનિટ આની પર જ જોઈ લો. Then, do you think dust will come here and
No. It's same like this?
yeah same that one.
No, this one.
This is the pair of that one two-seater.
Hmm.
16,000. લઈ જ જઈએ ચલો ને ભાઈ નહીં
આમાં શું તવો ગરમ હતો રોટલી શેકાઈ જાય
શું
ને આમાં તો એક વસ્તુ અત્યારે આવે
મને ખબર પડી કે હું ગુજરાતી છું લેવાવાળા છો એટલે
આમાં કેવું કે આપણે તમે કેટલા ટાઈમથી વિચારતો હતો કે સોફો લેવો છે સોફો એક ભેગી બધું પતી જાય એમ.
પણ આમાં છે ને
16,000.
જગ્યા નહીં મળતી જો
ના આમાં કેવું કે આમ રાઉન્ડ ટેપ આપ્યું છે ને
આ ટેકાનો
એટલે
ગરમ
આ ટેકા એટલે તમને કમ્ફર્ટેબલ વધારે લાગે
નહીં
જ્યારે
લાગતું પેલામાં લાગે છે
તો પછી એ રાખો જો મેં તમને બીજા કલર
sit
બતાવ્યા
here sit here
This is better than this one.
blue one
Yeah, this is
but
better.
sit down look
Huh?
it will disturb you
Sorry. No, it's okay.
it's okay
Because this blue one is like because
પેલો
I like
પેલો
this
જે તમે
one.
જે ફોર પીસ કલર બતાવો એ અત્યારનો લેટેસ્ટ કલર છે
What I like is this. The one
પેલા
is no.
એરટેલથી
Look,
નેચરલ આપેલા છે
look. If you sit down there. Ah, this one is alright as well.
Yeah.
But this is more look cost.
which one
This one.
yeah that look
આમાં છે ને તમે આમ બેઠા હવે આમ બેસો કેમ કે આની સ્પેસ બહુ એક વ્યક્તિને
આની
આરામથી
સ્પેસ
સુવો
વધારે છે જો it contain too much space
I
look
know. So you can sleep here.
yeah
But that is cost.
પેલો પોશ દેખાય છે આની જગ્યા સારી છે
પેલામાં આમ રાઉન્ડ ટેપ આપેલું છે ને એટલે
હા પણ એમાં આમ આડું ના પડે
હા, એ તમે એમાં ના
you can lie down
Right.
in that you can lie down
No. Here can I complete?
lie down play what do you think
I don't know. It's up to you.
કલર ના કારણે મેં તો મેં ખરીદી જ લીધો
This one we are
ભારતવાળા એની ખરીદવાના
buying.
મૂકવાના
આનું હા હવે આનું
They
જે
said
ભાડું
10,200 from
ભાડું
12,000.
પાછું મારા માથે જો તો 10,000 ને ભાડું આપી દઈશ એ મૂકી દો ને હમણાં
Hey your guys, this is what we bought, the sofa. Small one. This costs us 2,000.
પછી મૂકી દઈશું
Not 2,000. 10,200 siya, Maya. Yeah, this will do. Yeah. Hello, good morning guys. May problema dun sa nabili naming bed. This morning ko lang na check uli yung dineliver nila. Okay naman yung pinapakita nila dun sa shop nila. Pero look guys. Look oh. Diyos ko po. Yan oh, tanggal na agad ang tornilyo. Tapos itong stand kasi gumagalaw na. This one as well, look. Compared to dito sa kabilang stand, medyo matibay ito, pero yung quality hindi maganda talaga. So ayan guys, oh, tingnan nyo naman oh. So we are planning to return this. Shama will phone them. Let's see kung anong magiging response nila. Pero we're not happy. We try to pay good amount of money, pero ewan ko ba't may mga taong ganun, no? Okay naman yung design eh. Maganda naman eh, decente naman eh. Pero yung quality ng stand eh, mukhang nadali tayo. So guys, tingnan natin kung ano magiging response nila. Pero I'm not happy with this. We are planning to return this. So exchange, definitely exchange. So but we want them to give us good quality. Magbabayad tayo ng maayos eh, pero ito yung bibigay nila. So let's see. Okay, yeah. This is no good quality. This is alright. Look. Sorry about that. Yeah. Because even you fix 1 month, it break again. This is the problem. They should check this yesterday before deliver. But now look, this is.
Daddy, that one is broken. I don't like this one.
I know.
Yeah, it should be zero. It should be zero, not my number.
This one, mom. This one, no. This one, no.
No.
Just this.
Screw like
Just screw. This one is good. Look, it's inside.
Yeah.
This one is inside, but this one, no.
No.
Just this one. 1, 2, 3. See, this one is good.
फोल्डिंग आता है तो नवरों को नवरों है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो अलग अलग हो सकता है
But this one, no. This one, no.
अंदर
हाँ,
तो
तो-
फिटिंग ना तो
This is only here. This is the problem of this one.
दूसरा
This one good. This one fitting inside.
Sama.
They
मैं कह जाऊँ बिल आ गया जाए 2 बजे आ जाए 2 बजे
2 o'clock.
2 बजे
no, we will select good one.
हाँ
Exchange.
आज ही कर दूंगा
Hmm? Yeah. When deliver new one and then get this one. It's alright. Okay, yeah. Sorry about that. But it's no good.
हाँ काम करो
When you come, you want now? Look, we are here now again. So, ma'am, what do you think? This is good quality compared to that one, I think. One second. Wait.
वो आएगा
आप
फिट करें ना आपसे मैं फिट कर दूंगा
Yeah,
आप फिट हो जाएगा भैया
just checking.
ना खाली आधा नहीं आज ढीला
Hmm.
देख कर
ano, ini complete करने में मौका दे.
हाँ कॉल करो मैंने राइट करो गो
So I think this one is,
I like it.
हाँ, like it. Very nice, huh?
but this one you can sleep like this because of this.
Yes.
Huh?
एक तकिया ला जाओ तकिया उसी का क्या ना आओ ले लाने आओ ले
ये तो लावानंद में देता हूँ.
આની જોડે નથી આવતો
ना आ ट्यूशन वगैरह नहीं पैटर्न पेरेंट ट्यूशन से आ गाड़ी पास में बता ट्यूशन हाँ
But this one is more expensive, I think, because you know the style. So, but chinek namin yung stand, okay naman.
એનો 10,000 માં લઈ ગયા બરાબર
मैं तकिया उनका तो बेस्ट ना तकिया उठने को
હું समझी गई
I think this is better. Look,
ना 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 ये
The
ये ना
quality.
क्या लगे से हमें कसम फर्क नहीं
Nene, what do you think? हाँ?
तकिया जगह पर पास गाड़ी नहीं
હું समझी गई
क्या नहीं
हाँ, डबल का दिया हुआ.
આખી આખી સદીને પહેરીને આટલા જેટલી ઊંચી ગઈ
हाँ पास प्लेन आओ तकिया आओ ये अलग अलग पैटर्न पर
નો પીલો
Hmm?
પીલો નો
No
Take
pillow?
your seat and suitable.
We checked this yesterday. We checked this yesterday. It's alright.
બરાબર છે ને?
Okay.
લાગે છે complete?
80 છે
मैं जो नहीं करूँ
But is ma'am, take the price.
નો સેમ
तो आप करो शुरू से
Same?
बात करो
Same?
એટલે જાવ કે
हाँ बात खाओ आदमी नहीं ब्रेक नहीं क्या बता तो नहीं लिए
ના
तो
એટલે
क्या
વાત કરો
એકાદ વસ્તુ
So same na rin daw yung price.
એ પીલોને તો પાછું જઈ જાવ ઓ પીલોના પૈસા લોકોએ લીધા છે
ना हम तो बस तो कुछ नहीं हो गया ये इंजन काम में करनी आज जो है ना
Pagka yung price ay same na din, so mas maganda ito na. Yan o, ang ganda o. You want this one? Na? You don't like?
નો
No, go, no.
બેડ મેચિંગ
This one.
યા
Alright. So, is this one? Okay.
નો ગો
No, it's good. It's good. It's good. So, tomorrow, deliver?
ત્યારે પર
आज आप में सुनो
Today? Oh, alright. So, they will deliver it today?
હા સાચી વાત
मैं तो कोटी
Okay.
तो ना ना तो दे तो आ कर नहीं दे तो
બરાબર પણ જો ભરું નહીં આપી હો તમે કરો
So, they will deliver the as well today. So, Nina, let's go na. They will deliver.
વાત કરી
Mom don't want this blue one. So, we choose that one.
चालू बीजा को नहीं
Okay. So, let's go na, Nina. Come on. Nina, do you like this one? Look, guys. They changed this now. Because the last one they delivered yesterday is reject. May problema sa stand. So, ang price nila dito sa amin yesterday was 16,000 pero ngayon eh same na rin, 10,000 na rin lang. Ipinalit nila dun sa may problemang sa stand. So, I think this is more good quality. So, that is good. At least hindi sila mahirap kausap. So, Nina, we will remove the plastic, yeah?
I'm removing
Okay.
by myself.
No, no, don't make mess, yeah? Okay? Hello guys, good evening. Nina, good evening.
Good evening.
Are you happy with our new sofa?
Yeah, I'm chopping on the bed.
Jumping on the bed? This is not bed, that is sofa. Okay guys,
I'm jumping in the sofa.
Okay, yeah,
I'm
but-
jumping here too.
okay, but don't jump too much, ha? Okay, I will do shout out na, ha? Okay guys, thank you very much. At last, mayroon na kaming sopa kahit nagkaroon ng konting trouble. So at least naayos naman. So hindi naman sila mahirap kausap. So this is my first sopa. Nung nasa Philippines kami, wala kaming sopa doon din siya for 2 years. So at least dito mayroon na kaming sopa. Okay Nina, I will start vlog shout out na.
Daddy, you know that the mouse is insect too.
Okay. Yeah, wait, Nini, ha? I will do shout out na. Number 1, Dariza Vlog, first nag-comment sa last vlog ko. Thank you Dariza Vlog from Kingdom Saudi Arabia. Happy birthday kay Pampam Amoroso, October 15. Mars Antidor ng Polomolok, South Cotabato. Shoutout daw kay Carlos Quijado Jr. Shoutout kay Carlos Quijado Jr. from Senior. He is in Canada. Castor family ng General Santos City, kay Senator Manito. Shoutout Sky and Susan Biscocho family from Tanawan City, Batangas and Lipas City. Jojima Bitog, very nice and informative video. Nice job, Sir Bimbo. Okay, thank you, Jojima Bitog. House Top Marisa, shout out. Visit nyo lang, House Top Marisa. Si Role Z ng Sweden. Happy birthday kay AJ Nainwal. Yeah, I think this one is Indian. Happy birthday AJ Nainwal ng Ritz Hotel Bangalore, November 3. Oh, very posto, Ritz Hotel Bangalore. Margareta de la Sena ng California. Hello. Vic Dagana ng Digos City, Davao. Si Pauling Bed, this channel deserve more subscribers. Thank you, Paul. Shoutout kay Bert Villanueva from Tondo, Manila. Kay Mayor Iskoto. Bert Villanueva, Tondo, Manila. And this one from Greece. Malayo-layo ito. From Greece. Rizalina Beliana. And Marlon Magfali. And this is the last one, I think. Yeah, the last one is Marlon Magfali, Rome, Italy. Okay, guys. Thank you na lang. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. And also, please share our video. And thank you din po pala sa mga new subscribers at saka sa mga nagpapa-shoutout, and sorry kung namimiss ko yung ibang nagpapa-shoutout. Okay guys, Bimbo Cornejo Vlog, don't forget to subscribe. Good night, bye-bye!